If you are looking for a great electric smoker cocktail kit that you could do at your house that does not require butane, you are absolutely going to love this thing. This thing is absolutely awesome. You can make smoked cocktails at your house. Everything you're gonna get. This is the main device right over here. You can see it tells you the percentage it is charged, so you know whether you need to charge it or not. We're gonna get this charger here, this nice little instruction manual. And the nice part about this, it comes with 6 different wood chip flavors. So we got cherry wood over here, we got apple wood, which is really nice. We have hickory, we have peach wood over here, we have oak wood over here, and then we have pear wood over there. You're also gonna get this nice little brush over here to clean it off, and you get this golden spoon. I love the fact that it came with a golden spoon. So what you're gonna do here is you'll see right back here, it has the lock. So what we're gonna do, just gonna open it just like that. I already pre-filled it with wood. So you're gonna put wood right in there, super easy. And then you wanna just line up this and this just like that. Really, really easy to do. And then you are good to go. Then you're just gonna twist that tight just like that. Super simple. So then we're gonna put it on the glass just like this. All right, we now have everything loaded up. We have this on top of our whiskey glass over here. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna hit this button right here, just like that. It's gonna count down, and you can see the smoke that's starting to infuse in there. Really, really cool. This thing is absolutely awesome. You can see it's definitely delivering a lot of smoke as well. There's 2 seconds left right here. 1 second, and look at that. Absolutely amazing. If you're looking for a great electric cocktail smoker kit that does not require any butane, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.